Hey, what's up, y'all? Crystal Hall here. And, today, we got this Batman Lego set, this DC Batman Lego set. It is 76272, the Batcave with Batman, Batgirl, and the Joker. 184 pieces, and this is 4+. Comes with, a lab and a bat jail with the Joker and the Joker car. This back, the side, front, the other side, the bottom, and the top. Now, I'm not gonna build this regular speed. I'm gonna turn this into a time lapse that way, because I still haven't gotten my limit thing fixed. So what I'm gonna do is just turn this into a time lapse. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys. So this is what I got. It's got the Joker car. Got Batgirl in the Batjet. Got this launcher. Has this funky piece. I got this jail. Joker breaks out of jail. And on the inside, the toilet and a hot dog. Batman in his lab. He's got his computers, his batarang, investigation. So what you can do is, you were originally supposed to put this money, so it gave you 3 batarangs. And you're supposed to put this money in here. And then Joker can steal it. And we got ourselves a pretty Batmobile from Hot Wheels. Well, alright, everybody. There you have it. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. And if you did, then hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments down below. Peace.